So hello students. So in the ongoing series of online classes, today let us study another topic which is letter writing. You all know what are letters. You all might be writing letters to your relatives, friends, and you all might be receiving letters as well. So letter is a way to convey our message to somebody in writing. So students, there are two types of letters. First one is formal letter and informal letter. Letters can be divided in two types, formal letter and informal letters. What is a formal letter? Formal letters are written to government offices, editors of newspaper, merchant establishments, etc. They are formal in nature and their language is also formal, and they are serious in nature. We do not show intimacy in them. Whereas informal letters are written to family members, relatives, and friends. They are informal in nature and their language is also not serious or formal. We show intimacy in them. So today we will study the format of informal letter and we will learn how informal letters are written. So here is the format of informal letter. When we write an informal letter, it starts with the sender's address. In the beginning, sender's address is written. The person who is writing the letter, his address will be written in the beginning. It will be followed by date. The date should always be written in expanded form. After the date comes the salutation. We can use dear or my dear or respected in the salutation. Then comes the main body. In the main body we write the main message. We write the main information. We write why we are writing the letter. So whatever message we want to convey, we write it in the main body. Main body can be written in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then comes the closing. Closing means in the letter we write yours faithfully, yours lovingly, yours obediently. For example, if we are writing a letter to our parents, grandparents, we may write your lovingly or your obediently. If we are writing letter to our friend, we may write your faithfully, we may write your loving friend, we may write your sincerely also. Then we do the signature and then we write the name in the last. So this is the format. First of all, sender's address, then date, then salutation, then main body, then closing, then signature, and then name. So let us see an example. For example, there is a question: write a letter to your friend inviting him on your birthday. Now we will write this letter. So first of all, here is the address: house number 1248/16, Shiv Sadan, Roy Colony, Badmer. So this part is sender's address. Sender's address. So in the beginning we write sender's address, then this is date, and date should be written in expanded form. Okay, date should be written in expanded form. Then see here, this is salutation. Dear Pawan, because you are writing a letter to your friend, so suppose your friend's name is Pawan, so you are writing here dear Pawan. So this is sender's address, date in expanded form, then salutation. Now comes the main body. Till here, this is main body. From here till here, it is main body. And the whole message is written in the main body. So here was the address: house number 1248/16, Shiv Sadan, Roy Colony, Badmer. And written, notice one thing, that in the after first line I have put a comma, then after second line also I have put comma, then after Roy Colony also I have put a comma, then after Badmer, means last line of the address, I have put a full stop. So you should also keep this thing in mind. Now date I have written in full form: 1st May, comma 2020. Then dear Pawan, after that I have put a comma. After the address you should leave one line, then you should write the date, then again you should leave one line. After that you should write the salutation. Then you will start writing the main body. If you wish to leave one line after salutation, you may leave it. If you do not want that, it will do, no problem. So I am writing in the main body: Dear Pawan, I hope this letter finds you in good health. You will be glad to know that my birthday is coming on 15th May 2020. My parents are organizing a birthday party for me at our house. I am inviting you to my birthday party. We will play lots of games and have lots of fun. Our all friends are coming. So do not forget to attend my birthday party. Convey my regards to your parents. So the main message is written in the main body. After that comes the closing. After that I have written yours faithfully. So this is called the closing. This is called closing. After that we may do the signature, and after the signature name is written. In the last we write the name. So this is how we write an informal letter. See once again. So this is the format of a letter of an informal letter. First of all, sender's address is written, date is written, salutation is written, main body is written, closing is written, signature is written, and name is written. See, sender's address, date, salutation, then comes the main body, then comes the closing, then signature, and then name. I have not written the signature here, but you may write the signature also, and after the signature you may write the name in the last. So students, I hope you have understood how to write an informal letter. Still, if you have any problem, you may talk to me. Thank you.